friends, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. I am Pritha and today I will be sharing with you a very famous Indian street food recipe or Indian tele bhaja recipe. As we all know that Rath Yatra is coming soon and we Indians can't imagine Rath Yatra day evening without having some typical Indian street foods like goja or samosa or papad or any kind of tele bhaja. So anything which is deep fried, that is called tele bhaja in Bengali. So samosa is one kind of tele bhaja, piyaju or piyaji is one kind of tele bhaja, beguni is one kind of tele bhaja. So there are many kind of tele bhajas available in India. So today I will be sharing with you aloo chop or aloo chop recipe. This is also a very famous Indian tele bhaja or Indian street food. So this is my Rath Yatra special recipe, as I have shared goja recipe in my channel before also. There are two kind of goja recipes and the recipe links are below there in the description box. You can definitely check this. So I thought as goja I have already shared, so I must share with you Rath Yatra special Indian snacks recipe, that is aloo chop or aloo chop. This is very easy. You can definitely make this recipe at Rath Yatra day, and this is very easy and you can make this recipe with very few ingredients which are almost always available at your kitchen. So let's begin with the process, and before that I must remind you all that if you are new here in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, and if you like the recipe then like the video, comment on the video and share the video with your family and friends. Let's begin with the process. Let's see what are the ingredients we will be requiring for making the very famous Indian street food or Indian tele bhaja, aloo chop or aloo chop. For making aloo chop, I have taken here 4 boiled potatoes, 1 cup gram flour, 2 tablespoon rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon Maggi masala, a pinch of sugar, 1 cup refined oil. I have taken a mixing bowl and I have taken all the boiled potatoes in it, and now I need to mash these potatoes very well. Now add salt as per taste in the mashed potatoes and again start mixing it. Now we will be adding some red chili powder as per taste into it and need to mix it well, and then we will be adding the ginger paste and garlic paste. I have taken here around half tablespoon ginger paste and half tablespoon garlic paste, and I have added the Maggi masala and a pinch of sugar to balance the taste. Maggi masala you can get it from any grocery stores, and then we need to give it a quick mix. See, the mixture is now totally ready. Now I have taken another one mixing bowl and I will be adding the gram flour into it. Then add the rice flour into it. Add some red chili powder as per taste into it. Now add some salt as per taste into it. And then we will be adding the ginger paste and garlic paste, around half tablespoon ginger paste and around half tablespoon garlic paste into it, and then give it a quick mix. After mixing all the dry ingredients, now we need to add gradually water into it and need to make a batter. The batter should be very smooth and it shouldn't be very thick or very thin. The consistency should be proper. The consistency should be like this, and then you need to keep this aside for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we need to give the potato stuffing a good shape for aloo chop. For that I have taken a small portion from the potato mixture, and with the help of my hand I have given it a good shape like this. So just take a small portion from the potato mixture and give it a good shape. Make it a ball with the help of your hand, then press it with the help of your thumb and give it a good shape like this. Following the same procedure, I have done all the shaping of aloo chop. Now I have taken a karhai or frying pan and added some oil into it and wait until the oil becomes well heated or ready to fry. In the meantime, 30 minutes over and the consistency of the gram flour should be like this, and give it a quick mix again and add some baking soda into it and again give it a quick mix. Now the oil is well heated. You need to take a shaped potato stuffing and need to dip it into the gram flour mixture or gram flour batter and need to coat the potato stuffing very well with the gram flour batter and then need to put it into the heated oil. Following the same procedure, all the aloo chop needs to be fried well, and the coating of the gram flour needs to be very well, because if it's not well coated then it will not be crispy. Both the sides needs to be fried well. See, the color has been changed and both the sides of the aloo chop has been well fried. Now we can take it out from the oil. Take out all the aloo chops from the oil and following the same procedure, I have fried all the aloo chops. I have served the aloo chop with some puffed rice or muri along with some green chili and onion. These can be your perfect evening snacks. I hope you all liked my Rath Yatra special recipe. So aloo chop is a very famous Indian street food recipe or Indian telebhaja recipe. If it's not Rath, then also you can definitely make this recipe anytime at your home, as it's very easy and you can make this recipe with very few ingredients which are almost always available at your kitchen. So definitely make this recipe. And do let me know by commenting on the below comment section, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you like the recipe, then like the video, share the video with your family and friends and comment on the video. We'll be back very soon. Till then, bye and advance happy Rath Yatra to you all. Bye bye.